we did buy the Leopard 40 Catamaran from our last episode. Our surveyor recommended putting it on the hard immediately, getting it sanded down. There were those blisters that needed to be attended to. So getting it sanded down and let it dry over a couple of months' time actually fit our work and travel schedules pretty well. So it was a prudent move, and we did that right away. The boat had been looked after for years by Paul Dakin Marine. We retained Captain Paul as finally's keeper. He pulled it out of the water, got the work started, sanded down, and a few other things we wanted to get done while the boat was on the hard. Meanwhile, we had our class come up for ASA104 Barboat Charter in Santa Barbara, California. We're at Fry's Anchorage, Santa Cruz Island, in the Santa Barbara Channel Islands. We're aboard the 50-foot Jenny Lane out of Santa Barbara Sailing Center, doing the ASA 104 bit. Pretty much kept the camera away. We're busy learning stuff and hauling lines and grinding. But on a beautiful morning at Anchorage, here's what it's looking like. We spent a good amount of time last night learning how to anchor this close to a rock cliff. The instructor went over all the steps to check and double-check the integrity of the holding of the anchor. We even took shifts being on anchor watch all night long. It was a good exercise in setting a good anchor and minding it properly. You can't just set it and forget it. We were supposed to be on the Barboat Charter ASA 104 a month ago, but the main boat Santa Barbara Sailing Center was to use for our class broke anchor out here and washed ashore. It was on charter at the time, so it wasn't a class or instructor fail. Leaving Santa Cruz Island on our way back to Santa Barbara, a dolphin escort. Truly our first prolonged dolphin experience. Yeah, when escrow closed on the Catamaran, we were in the U.S. Deb and I still haven't stepped foot on it since we were the owners. While the boat is on the hard for a couple of months, I'm going to fly out to Trinidad, meet with Captain Paul. I'm going to inventory the boat, find out what's on board, figure out what I need to bring, my own spares, my own tools, etc. And that's what you can expect to see in our next episode.